What is up, everybody? Today we are doing the audition video, or remaking it, I guess. I was having technical difficulties with my setup, but I think I got it fixed. I think I know how I'm gonna do this video now. So let's just jump right into it. I got the screen pulled up. I was gonna record it with my Elgato, but my Elgato wants to be a total dickhead. So let me show you what you guys the website looks like when you first get into it. I don't know if it's gonna go to the main website. Let's try it. So this is what the website's gonna look like. This is, well, technically first you gotta make an account, like I have, and then you get to this screen. So first make an account, obviously. But yeah, you get to the projects. These are all projects, and they have this like filter bar right here, and some more filters up here. They recently updated this like a month ago, so I had to relearn how to use the entire website. So here, I'll just give you the layout real quick, and then after I show you guys how it's done, I'll record some auditions for you. How's that sound? Great, fantastic, cool, awesome, okay. So, these are projects. These are things that people make and open, and then people like try out for like different roles. Like this is a Five Nights at Freddy's thing, and Minecraft. You're gonna see a lot of Minecraft and Five Nights at Freddy's on this website. That's just what people do. So you got the roles. These are how many open roles there are, 7 out of 10. The deadline is in 50 minutes. So definitely not doing that. And then this is the project rating. I just recently learned what this meant. So the rating is the odds of this being finished. Finished. I don't know if you can read it. But yeah, it's a 38% chance this will be finished. So, you know, it's your choice if you want to do it. And then right here is the description. And then these are the characters. And then followers, auditions. There's 239 auditions on this. Holy crap. Anyways, I did not expect that. So yeah, and then the title and all that. So yeah, it's just like all of those. What I do is I put filters on it. First things first, I always do new, because I don't have 50 minutes to do something. So yeah, you get all these. If it's like this, that means I've already pressed on it. Just FYI. I have a notification. I haven't noticed. I gotta check that later. Anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, put it on new, and then save searches, the searches that I've saved. And then role names, if you want to like find a specific role, say you want like Minecraft, you type in Minecraft and you add it. I don't want Minecraft, obviously, so no. And then it's kind of like a Boolean search. You know what a Boolean? Remember in college, the Boolean search, kind of like that. I assume. I don't remember. I didn't do research papers. I always skip those. And this is why I'm a dropout. No. And then right here is a type of role. Of course, I do voice acting usually, so I press voice actor. But also sometimes I'll do video editor if they have like a paid role, because I don't video edit for free. I go to college for it. But like you can do like all this stuff too. You can be a singer, artist, animator, composer, engineer, writer, director, producer. And then they even have like paid roles, because yes, you can get paid. I don't really do paid roles, because those are usually like super like professional people with like really good mics, and I don't have that, obviously. And then gender, male and female. I skip rating, but I always do male because I'm a male. And then I always do 50 plus. But anything below that, you know, I don't know if it's gonna be done, even though most of them are new. Let's try 20% today. Why not? And then categories is like what kind, like general, animation, audiobook, all that. Language, English. I always do English. That's a lie. I just realized that today. Accents. You can choose like any kind of accent. That doesn't really matter to me. But yeah, and then it does all that, and then it gives you all these searches. So like now we have like FNAF AR, Funtime Freddy, because everything's FNAF on this website. 2 open roles. Deadline 25%, has a 33% chance of being done. There's no auditions, no followers, and then no comments. Let's see if this is a good one. I'll show you guys what a good one should look like. I'll find a good one. Give me a sec. Okay, one thing you always want to look for, if they have a profile picture like that and another profile picture like that, that means they care. And then this is a fan project, blah, 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 blah. The like description of it, and then they have a little like description of what the thing's about. Like Luminae is a comic on Webtoon made by Emma Corgruel. I don't know how to say that. And then where one of my moves, blah, 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 reading. Obviously, you should read it. I'm just summing over for time. And then, okay, here are the characters. A lot of characters in this. They usually have a picture, and then their gender, age, language, accent, and then if they're getting paid amount, and the significance. So you got like supporting, or you got minor, or you got like the leads. And then what you always want to see in a good audition is a description of the character. So this is actually a really good one. A sort of shy 13-year-old werewolf boy, blah, 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 reading. And then these are the lines you want to audition with. So they give you the emotions, which if you watched my voice acting tip video, is really good. So you know how to say the lines, obviously. So like nervous, you got angry, confused. So like, huh? How did you do that? That was bad, but it's just an example. And then down here, you can see people who already auditioned for it. Like we can listen to this dude.
I'm sorry. I'll go somewhere else.
And then you can like compare yourself to other auditions. Sometimes people say you shouldn't do that. I do it because I like to like build on other people's stuff and like improve on it. But you know, you do what you want. These are just like if you want to message them or like upvote it and all that. That's not really important. You guys can play around with that when you get on the website. And then there's this stuff. I don't ever use this. If you want though, like choose only males, only open roles, and then whatever that is, and that gives you all the male open roles. It's a better way to sort it, I guess. And then yeah, honestly, that's pretty much it. Like everything else, you can just do it on your own. It's not a very difficult website. One thing I always do, also before I forget, say I want to save the I auditioned for this character, and I want to like save it. There's a little heart button right here. Save this role in the command center for later. And then literally you can just boop and then go to boop, save for later. And then these are all the roles you have. I gotta get rid of some because some are kind of old. But yeah, usually when they're like past due, I got casted for this so I kept it, but I'll just like take it off. But yeah, this is all the stuff that I'm upcoming or I've auditioned for that's upcoming. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess we can jump into some auditions. I might try this one actually. Let me look at it real quick. Another thing, sometimes people link their YouTubes to it. So casting call for Star Citizen, the Nexus. They have a little concept video. It's helpful sometimes. Sometimes they'll have like their pilots on there. This one's a lot more in depth. Let's show this one out real quick. So disclaimer, exclamation video is unscripted for fun. And then Nexus is a description of what it is, I'm assuming. If I actually read it. And then what I'm looking for, exceptional audio quality. I guess I can't do that because I don't have that. Actors who can improvise lines. Like this is what they want from the auditions. And then what I'm not looking for, sure. And then, yeah, feel free to reach me on. Make sure you get a Discord. Always get a Discord. This is what a Discord username looks like. Don't forget to get a Discord. Very important. And then, yeah. So I can't do this one. I was just looking at roles. But I think that's everything I can show you guys. If you have any questions, comment me. And I'm just going to look for some roles for you guys. So I'll be right back if I find one. Okay, it's my face again. I found something that looks cool enough, I guess. It's a casting call for Dirty Little Secret, Sims for voice acting or voiceover series. Basically, it's about a bunch of friends who kill somebody and they're freaking the fuck out. So audition rules, yeah, that doesn't matter. Well, it does. I already read it. So, first things first, I'm all male, so male, and then only open roles, of course. So there's 2, or there's 3. Well, those aren't. There's a lead. I want leads. Okay. So I thought we could try for 2. What's his name? Damon and Winston. So, first things first, always read the thing. I already read the thing. He's an asshole. Let's put it that way. So, yeah, let's just jump right into it, I guess. I don't know how this is going to work out because I'm currently recording on Audacity. And then I'm going to switch over to Audition. If anything, I'll just use the camera audio. Whatever. Okay, so I could not run Audacity and Audition at the same time. So I'm just going to be using my camera audio. Let me make sure it's still recording real quick, because that'd be awkward if it wasn't. Okay, so I explained everything, so let's just jump right into it. Normally I have the blanket pulled over so I can get the best audio, but the camera's kind of in the way, so whatever. Okay, so for Damon, I was thinking trying to do a deeper voice at first, and then do my normal voice right after. So let's try my best. I love it when you degrade me, Fiona. It's hot. I love it when you degrade me, Fiona. It's hot. There's no need to repeat yourself, love. I ignored you just fine the first time. There's no need to repeat yourself, love. I ignored you just fine the first time. You don't get it.
and I don't expect you to. In the next few years, you know where I'll be? Here, doing the same shit over and over again. You know where you'll be? Off having your career launched and just doing good things. Miracles don't happen, and you need to realize that. I am a Carter, and that's all I'll ever be. So just mind your business for a change. You don't get it, and I don't expect you to. In the next few years, you know where I'll be? Here, doing the same shit over and over again. You know where you'll be? Off having your career launched, just doing good things. Miracles don't happen, and you need to realize that. I am a Carter, and that's all I'll ever be. So just mind your own business for a change.
Okay, we finished that. Like I mentioned, I record everything in bulk, like in my voice acting tip video. If you haven't watched that video yet, watch it first. So just when you're done, save it. Don't even edit it yet, just straight up just save it. Okay, so that's Damon. So let's try out Weston now. Can't show you guys what I'm doing on Audition, but if you want, I'll make a video on how I'm doing it. But Audition is the expensive one, so I'm sure most of you guys can't afford Audition. I can maybe do an Audacity video, but I don't really know how to use Audacity. So let me know if you want an Audition video, or Adobe Audition when I say that. But that's the paid one, like I said. Okay. Anyways, so let's try out Weston. He's pretty nice for the most part. He's an introvert and extrovert, and he's kind of a nerd. So I don't know what kind of voice I want to do. I want to do my normal voice, because I usually do my normal voice for like nerds.
It's not likely that she'd be able to survive. According to basic knowledge, if you take the speed we traveled and the fact that she was a very petite girl, the chances of her being alive are 0 to none. According to the laws of physics and common sense, she died right when we hit her. Oh my god, we killed a girl. We are criminals. This is manslaughter. I need my inhaler. It's not likely that she'd be able to survive. According to basic knowledge, if you take the speed we traveled and the fact that she was a very petite girl, the chances of her being alive are 0 to none. According to the laws of physics and common sense, she died right when we hit her. Oh my god, we killed a girl. We're criminals. This is a manslaughter. I need my inhaler. No. I am not breaking another law because of you guys. This will literally kill my chances of ever getting into Harvard because of you guys. Harvard! No. I am not breaking another law because of you guys. This will literally kill my chances of ever getting into Harvard because of you guys. Harvard! Okay, I do admit that I can be a little bit of a loser, but I'm a loser who can record, so you, ma'am, can thank me later. Not to brag or anything, but I'm the man. Okay, I do admit that I can be a bit of a loser, but I'm a loser who can decode, so you, ma'am, can thank me later. Not to brag or anything, but I am the man.
First you pause it, then you stop it, and then you save it. Okay, saved. Okay, so let me edit it, and then I'll show you guys how to post it, and all the other stuff. So I'll be back in like, I don't know, 10 minutes. Not that it matters to you, because I just edited this anyways. Okay. Once you get the stuff edited like I did, press submit audition, browse audition files. I don't know if it's going to show you the screen. I doubt it. Okay, so you press that. Notes. I always leave a note. I always leave my Discord. I'll type it out real quick for you guys. Add me on Discord if you feel like it. I'm on Discord a lot nowadays. And then always check if they want anything specific on the audition rules. Please state audition if you be down to do. Yeah, I gotta do that. And then I always put feedback welcomed because it makes me feel like I'm always good for feedback. No one ever gives me feedback, but you know, just say it's okay to get feedback. That's what I do. You don't have to do it like that. You can put whatever you guys want. I forgot how to spell. And then I always put a little smiley face because I'm human. Also, then always add exclamation mark. So yeah, this is what I do. Did I spell also wrong? Oh, I have Grammarly on my computer, so it just tells me what I did wrong, which is great. Okay, so this is what I always put. Discord, and then feedback welcome. If they want any extra things like this one does, I also be down to do more roles. I don't know if you can see up here, but please stay in your audition if you do down to be doing a minor role considering blah 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 reading. And then what I always do if I do a lot, I just copy and paste this, or copy and then paste it when you do the next one, and you press submit, and then upload, blah blah blah. Get to read an inspirational tweet from somebody. And then it gives you this screen. These are like tags to help the casting director find this audition. You don't have to do this. I always do. So I put what audio software I use, which is Audition, audio editing, because I do audio editing. That's the skills you used. That's software. Languages, I did an English language. And usually I skip these because I don't care. And then I use a blue snowball. So blue snowball mic. I do more professional sounding, so it sounds cool. Yeah. And then you just press save. And then you don't have to refresh, but once you refresh, you'll see your audition. Where'd it go? Oh yeah, right there. I got confused for a second. So yeah, you just press on it and then you see my audition.
I love it when you degrade me, Fiona.
And then right now, or if I remember to, I'm gonna show you the difference between unedited and regular edited. So me, right now, do it. Show him.
I love it when you degrade me, Fiona. It's hot. I love it when you degrade me, Fiona. It's hot.
I know you're probably thinking, Andrew, that sounds exactly the same.
Well, no, because the audio that's edited is louder and more, the syllables you can hear better because I leveled out the audio. But in the unedited one, it's quieter and there's more dips. So like when I say things louder, it's louder. And when I say things softer, it's softer. But when I do the editing, it all sounds the same, if that makes sense. Okay, welcome back to Right Now Me. Next is a Winston, so same thing, just browse audition files. Make sure you don't screw this up. I might have done it once on accident. Oh, I didn't copy that part, that's fine. Oh, let's retype it then. I might have done it once on accident, but I fixed it immediately, so don't mess that up, because it's kind of awkward. Okay, and then same thing, submit audition. And then, yeah, the thing I don't like is that I have to type this in every single time. I can never spell that right. I have to type this in every single time I do it. I wish there was a way to save it because I'm basically doing the same exact thing all the time. And then I kind of did a nerdy accent. So let's do nerd. Is there a nerd on here? Nerdy. There we go. And then just my blue snowball. Yep. Save meta tags. And then before you do anything, remember, save the roles. Save the roles. And then once you can press back and it'll save it, so don't worry about like going to the new screen again or anything. But I refreshed it, so one audition, saved role, one audition, saved role. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now you know how to do auditions. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video I did. It's gonna be weird to edit because there's so many different audio files. But that's my problem, not your problem. If you guys want another audition video with me doing like more auditions, let me know. It feels kind of weird talking in front of a camera doing auditions, but whatever. Also, if you want like the audition video I talked about, like how to audio edit it, I can do it. Obviously, I know some of you guys don't have audition, but I can still do it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll be back eventually one day. Goodbye.